Across Florida, most homeowners are told they must replace their roof simply because it has reached a certain age. But under Florida Statute 627.7011, insurance companies cannot deny or refuse to renew coverage solely because of the age of a roof. What matters is the condition of the roof system, not just the number of years since it was installed. Here on this property, our team is performing a comprehensive tile roof rebuild, addressing more than a dozen high water flow areas where the roof system experiences the most stress over time. By rebuilding these critical sections and high water flow areas and returning those areas to a structurally sound condition, the roof system can continue performing as designed without unnecessary replacement. This represents the difference between a sales-driven approach and the professional inspection-based evaluation of your roof system. Across Florida, Mike McGilvary Roofing educates homeowners on the Florida roof age law and helps property owners understand when a roof truly requires replacement and when it can be preserved through inspection, targeted repairs, and rebuilding. Because when it comes to roofing, trust is built in the details. Mike McGilvary Roofing, Florida's authority in roof life extension and tile roof preservation.